when I heard that the team wanted to work with Territory to reimagine the UI of T2, immediately my interest was piqued. I was in. I'm Talon Wadsworth, and I'm the lead designer for Adobe XD.
Being able to reinvent the Terminator 2 UI with software that we were not that used to it and had to learn that was very exciting. I'm Mario Romances, and I'm the creative director and co-founder of Territory Studio. Territory has been working on feature films. What we produce is graphic interfaces, or whenever it's on set with real screens. This last year, for example, Avengers Infinity War, Blade Runner, Ready Player One.
I sent around the reels from Territory and total geek fest. They were so jealous that I got to come over here. It's this really crazy scenario where like, here's this UI of the future that was now created 15, 20 years ago, now again reimagined. It's kind of a mind-boggling task.
The biggest challenge that we faced with this project is taking such an iconic screen and building out something that is complex as the technology that we know and making it feel a part of the Terminator canon.
Being able to have all the designs in one page, in one project, was very, very helpful to visualize the whole set. We could create modules that could be easily replaced and easily interchanged thanks to Adobe XD. Even with the color, just changing a color from the panel and that color affecting the whole user interfaces and widgets that we already designed was very helpful.
What designers are really trying to do is they're trying to tell a story. And they're trying to bring other people along in that journey. So I can imagine XD actually expanding to help lots of different stories be told, whether they're in gaming or movies, AR and VR.
Seeing how Territory was working and just being inspired, you start to influence how I was thinking about our future roadmap.
I think this is the great thing about putting creatives and people who are actually coding the softwares together.
I think Territory pulled it off. They've brought through the spirit and the vibe of the work from Terminator 2, and they've really updated it to the standard of kind of UX and UI today.
That's one of the coolest parts of working with XD, is seeing what people can do with a tool that we've created that has like boundless opportunities.
So I think Adobe's role in the future of design and experience design is crafting great tools that are really rooted in the creative process, that really enable anyone to tell a story.